Hey everyone, Tony G. Sorry, I was just testing that. So in this video, we are going to be doing a lat/tricep stretch. Now for the lat to be stretched, it typically needs to be pulled outward and then in a slightly elevated position. However, I don't have anything that's elevated that I could grab onto, so I figured I might as well just do a combo tricep/lat stretch, okay? So in doing this stretch, what we're going to do is the side that we are stretching, let's say we are stretching our left side, our left leg is going to go back, and I just realized the angle needs to be changed slightly. Don't mind my face. And now my head's cut off. Well, what can you do? It's okay, these videos are never perfect. There we go. Okay, so we're going to bring our left leg back, making sure our spine is nice and neutral. We're going to take our left arm and we're going to bend our elbow. Now we're going to take our right arm, we're going to reach over and we're going to press down slightly. This is going to stretch our tricep and a little bit of our lat. If you want to intensify it, you will slightly rotate till you feel a stretch through your lat, and you're going to hang out there. We're going to hang out here for 30 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, and 30. And relax, okay? Remember, after you do a stretch, you want to take the muscle out of the stretch and then go into the next one. Now, as always, you can alternate, or you can do 3 on one side and then 3 on the other. Okay, so for our right side, our right leg is going to be going back. We're going to be in a nice staggered stance, neutral position. Right hand's going to reach behind, grab from behind. Actually, for this one, I'm going to be showing you my backside so you guys see. And we're just going to bend sideways, and we're just going to hang out here for 30 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, and 30. And that, everyone, is a lat tricep stretch. I hope you enjoyed. Please, everyone, give that a try. We'll hold them 3 of them for a 30-second count. And I'll see you next time. Make sure to hit the like and subscribe button.